Welcome back to Auto Geeks What's in the Garage. We're here at this amazing car collection with Craig Danzig. Now, we just saw his personal 1966 Corvette Roadster, and he not only is an enthusiast, he's a wheeler and a dealer in the industry. Now, we're just going to play fly on the wall as we watch him do his job. Craig, what does he do here?
Oh, actually, this particular case, we were representing a collection of a private seller. They've chosen to sell these cars at all at one time, and they don't want to go through the hassle of selling them independently. And we're trying to, at this time, sell them to some people in town that are coming in today. So we've got a guy coming in from England to look at these cars this afternoon. Okay. And when you guys were in town, I decided, bring you in. It would be awesome to have you see this collection, which is phenomenal, by the way.
This is awesome.
I mean, you got 63 Corvettes here. You got 409 cars. You got Brits 59s. Unbelievable cars here. So I'd like to take you through the cars. Let's
do it.
And give you an opportunity to see everything that's here. And what we try and do is category the cars, document the cars, appraise the cars, and get the highest dollar for the seller.
Perfect.
And we handle estates, and we do it all over the country. So let's start with this 63 Corvette right here, okay?
It's a very original car. It's got knockoffs. It's a 4-speed. It's had a little bit of modification done to it. The AC is aftermarket. It's got a Hirsch shifter, which is not standard. But overall, the car is fairly stock, including the interior.
Very nice car. You got these beautiful 409s sitting behind Sean that are basically the bottom car, 62 quad car. The car is not all original. It's a clone car, but it's set up just the way it should come from the factory, but it's just got some different carburetors on it. Here's a gorgeous car, too. This is a Powerglide car. It's basically a 327 car, 63 car. Sean, what do you think of this one?
It's small block.
327.
Yeah, 327.
Mike, what's your opinion of it? I mean, you've seen a lot of this stuff. I mean,
this looks about as stock as you can get, like it just rolled off the assembly line.
It's a beautiful car.
It's a beautiful car.
The 59 Barrett's behind you is one of the nicest cars in this place today. It's a 59 quad car, actually a 59 tri-barrel car. So it's basically a really special paint code car. And as you can see, what do you think, Mike? I mean, tell me what you think of this car.
Well, I've owned 5 1959 Cadillacs, none this nice, but out of all the cars here, of course, this is my favorite. Once you go for riding a 59 Cadillac, man, it's hard to ride anything else.
There's some beautiful cars. This is 69 Bonneville convertible, only year they had this car. Kind of a different car. You don't get to see too many of these anymore.
That was the only year they made a convertible for the Grand Prix.
Exactly.
Is this particular model this year.
So that makes it incredibly rare.
Very rare.
Only car.
Very rare, but absolutely beautiful condition. And again, you'll see as you go through it, the wheels and the interior in mint condition.
This 442 W30 car is off the hook. This car's off the hook. I mean, these cars are bringing big money. You don't even find them. It's got the 27 rear end of the car, automatic car, real cars. If you look at the car, you can tell the W30 by the orange fenders, Michael. Take a look at that.
Oh, yeah.
Right there. Isn't that unbelievable?
That is unbelievable. You're right. The fenders,
That's how you tell the
inner
car,
fenders are orange, yep.
So this is an authentic car right from the factory. So it's a beautiful car. And then you get your 67 GTO. Sean, why don't you tell them about this car a little bit, okay?
It's an all-original car, original matching number car. It was completely restored from the ground up. It's got bucket seats, center console with the his and her shifter.
67 442 4-speed car, very tough car to find today. It's sitting right in front of you. The guy had a passion for the 442s, and that's a beautiful car. Okay, this is an awesome 56 Fire Chief car. It's a very rare car, very desirable now in the collector world. We're starting to see these cars throughout the United States raise big money. This car's set up really nice. It's got some spoke wheels on it. That wasn't there in the day, but you know what, quite frankly, he liked it this way, so I'm sure other buyers will be interested and enthusiastic as well.
I love the dash, and it has a lot of chrome and stainless steel trim.
What's in the Garage, presented by AutoGeek.net, is being brought to you by Wolfgang for long-lasting protection and a crystal shine, available at AutoGeek.net, and by Minzerna, the world's finest polishing materials, available at AutoGeek.net, and by Bars Leaks, permanently fixes cooling system leaks.